Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Before we get started, dried results from previous last weekend. This is the swipe we did. You won't be able to see it because there's no sun, but there's a lot of metallic gold in here, so this all shimmers. I'm trying to see. I think it's really only the gold that shimmers, but very, very pretty colors in it. And then the other one was the Dutch pearl we did. Also turned out really very pretty. Beautiful colors, beautiful patterns. Also turned out really very pretty. And this one, of course, also has a lot of gold. And the green is metallic also, so there's quite a bit of shimmer on this painting. Both of these will be photographed and put in my Etsy shop, and they will be available to buy there. And then today I want to try something different. I want to try a Dutch pearl, but the background color or the base color that I want to put down is black. So I've mixed up black and I've watered it down, and I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if I can show it to you, but it's very thin. It doesn't really leave a mound, very thin. And I've mixed up some pink, I've mixed up some yellow, I've mixed up some light blue. And then in here I've got Amsterdam titanium white mixed only with water. And I think I want to put some silicone into, let's put it into the yellow. So just a little bit of silicone into the yellow and mix that up. And all of my colors are also very thin. They don't leave a mound. Okay, so I am going to put my gloves on. The sound that you can hear in the background is my heater. When I came into the caravan now, my phone said it was currently -1 degrees outside. And it's pretty much that temperature inside this caravan right now, so it is cold. Anyway, so right, there we go. Can you see it? Right, so all we're going to do is we're going to put a base of black down, and then I'm just going to blow this out to cover the canvas. Just get it all out. And when I was mixing up this black paint, I noticed some lumps. So now that we're blowing it out, I can hopefully find those lumps and get them out. I don't really use black in my paintings. The only time I use black is when I do a swipe, and then it's most of the time it's Amsterdam paint. And this is my normal black paint, and I very seldom use it, so I don't know when last I've even used this paint, so it doesn't surprise me that I saw lumps in it. But anyway, right here, let's blow this out. Okay, I did see one lump and I managed to get that out. So, haha. Alright, I wonder if I should just put a puddle again and blow it out, or... Yeah, you know what? It's the way I like doing it. So I'm going to put a puddle of the colors. And some more of the pink. And some more of the blue. And some more of the yellow. And some more of the Amsterdam. Right, let us blow this out and let's see what we get. That is very, very cool. I like it. I really like the, there's some ghost lines going through the black here. You'll see it now when I bring you in for a close-up. It actually, very wispy little lines going out over the black. Yeah, I like that. I do. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. There it is. Look at that. So let me bring you down. You see what I mean by wispy ghost lines? It's very, very cool. Very different. I've never actually done a painting like this before, with a black background and a Dutch pour over it. So I actually do like this. Very different. You see that? And up here. Going to put the flash off, and maybe you can see the colors better, but very, very cool. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's video, just something different. I like the way it turned out. I hope you do too. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me what you think of this painting, and again, remember, all paintings created in this channel are available to buy in my Etsy shop. Details to my Etsy shop are down below in the description. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. please support my channel. I would really appreciate any support I can get. And I will see you tomorrow when I do another painting. See you then, everyone. Bye.